keep. Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. I know I have so much makeup on. I just filmed this look. It's probably already up. If not, it's coming. But today's video is going to be super fun. Not only am I going to help and show you how to rediscover your closet, but also you guys are going to be with me every second, every step of the way as I rediscover my own closet, because I've been really feeling in this weird kind of closet rut. So this video is going to be exactly that, how to rediscover your closet, revamp some things, so then when you do go to get ready, you'll never have that situation where you're like a closet full of clothes and nothing to wear. It's the absolute worst, and that's kind of how I've been feeling, and in turn that makes me just want to wear the same freaking outfit again and again and again, and I know I'm better than that. So I actually already have a video on how to find your personal style, but it is quite old, and honestly I cringe so bad at my old videos. And in that video I do remember talking about a mood board. So this is my personal style mood board, just so I have something to reference and I don't get distracted by things that aren't gonna really make sense for that direction that I'm going with. So my vision board, I love a lot of clean lines. I love like menswear, cozy, casual kind of pieces, but still I like some sex appeal. Bianca Jagger, she's a huge inspiration to me. A lot of denim, a lot of black, a lot of white, and then pops of red, and I really love like pops of pink. This is just my general mood board, but definitely create yours, and you can do it on Pinterest or you can bring it to life like I did. So now we are going to go over to my closet, and we are all in a circle of trust here, so no judgment, okay? It's crazy, that's why I'm doing this, all right? I'm so excited. Okay, so first things first, make yourself a playlist. I have one that's really amazing, not bland. You guys helped me create it, so you guys can listen to that as you clean your closet to make this process a bit more fun and enjoyable. And maybe grab a glass of wine if you're old enough, but not too much. You kind of have to be like a little lucid. Hopefully this lighting is okay for you guys. So I do have my board in here just to reference, just so I can make sure that I'm not deviating from what I want my style to be. This is not that style. I'm gonna get rid of it. It was cute and everything, but honestly it wasn't even that flattering, so I'm gonna get rid of it. You have to be very realistic with the things that you need to get rid of. A really good rule of thumb is if you haven't worn it in 6 months, get rid of it. And if it's something that has sentiment behind it, I get that. So maybe just get some bins and throw that in there and store it away and get it out of your face. You still have it, you still have those memories, you still have that sentiment, but it is not going to be clogging up your closet and just sitting there just taking up room. I would say do that if you have like maybe designer pieces that you're like, but I spent so much on this, and I would suggest storing them away, because as we know, things always come back, and if it's really great quality and you feel like you spent a lot, I would say just store it away for now. If it doesn't fit right now, I would say give it away. You don't need that kind of negativity in your life, like an article of clothing just reminding you that like that doesn't fit you. Get rid of it. I have no tolerance for clothes that do not fit me. They go away. One to donate, to give away. I'm gonna have another one of stuff that I can sell. So maybe things that are kind of trendy still, that I feel like are in good condition, and maybe try to get a little bit of money, and then I can buy something that's more my style, you know? Then we're also gonna have a pile of clothes that need alteration. So things that don't really fit me, things that need to be reworked so that I get a perfect fit, and even things that are like, if I love the top of this but I'm over it being like a jumpsuit, I know you can't tell, but this is a jumpsuit, I can just take it to my seamstress and maybe we can convert it into a top that I'll wear a little bit more. So you can also think about alterations in those terms as well. Or maybe I just want these to be pants and I get rid of that. We can just revamp our clothes and turn it into something that we will be wearing more. I don't have anything that I want to store away, but if you guys have seasons, like it's super hot and super cold, put away whatever season you're not going to be using, like your coats and stuff like that. You'll have another pile for that, like bin storage, or like I said, the sentimental stuff and the designer or high quality, whatever you want to like kind of hang on to, but not necessarily be wearing right now. You'll have that pile as well. Let's go ahead and start ripping through this closet. My closet is about to collapse. This is not okay. Let's start. This, you know what? I'm gonna toss. I'm just like over it. And the way to kind of look at things is how many outfits can you create with this? This is just such a nice little like basic. So I can create so many different, I can wear it under something, I can wear it alone, I can wear it with shorts, I can wear it with pants, I can wear it a lot. So this is gonna stay, and it's in that same kind of style that I'm going for. So that can stay. This is gonna stay. These ones I have not worn in forever. I always keep them around, but they're kind of dingy, they're gross. So we are going to get rid of them. This one, I mean, I could get it altered, but it's honestly a hot mess. So you guys have to be very brutal and honest. Like, am I going to be wearing it? Have I been wearing it? Have I been reaching for it? Create different outfits, and that's how you can rediscover. Once I hit a piece that I haven't really worn in a bit and I'm trying to decide, I try it on. So try on all your clothes, and if you're digging it, then keep it, obviously. But if you're not, like if automatically you feel like, no, this is whack, then you know it's time to give it away. As you're going through things, like this has a baby hole, I'm like kind of okay with it, like it's not that bad. But if things are like super destroyed, have like stains or anything like that, I would say just to get rid of it. Like, you don't need that in your life anymore. It had its time, clearly you really wore the crap out of it, so just send it on to another life. Actually, H&M, you can donate your clothes to H&M and you get 20% off, or 10% off I think, and they recycle the fabric, so that's also a really great place to donate your stuff. It's like really good material, and it's white and it's clean. Yeah, I'm keeping it. We're gonna speed this up so we can be done. This one we'll keep. I like this color. This one, too bright. Okay, so this part is always super easy for me because shirts I like clean out pretty often. I mean, I clean out my closet actually quite often. So this is the part that I'm going to have a hard time parting with. Special occasion dresses. So I'm going to have my critical eye here. And that is honestly what you guys have to do. You have to be very, very honest with yourself and really decide, like, is this the style that I'm going for? Does this reflect me and what I want to present to the world? Because as shallow as fashion is, it really is this like introduction without speaking. So it's a reflection of you, and it should be. It should be fun, of course, but it's also what you're presenting to the world. Love this. I'm gonna put it over here with the rest of their white collared crew. So I'm gonna continue to go through this, try on a few things, and you know what? It's so fun. You can do like a video montage. What my teachers say, I'm gonna be a supermodel, and everyone is gonna dress like me. Wait and see when I'm a supermodel, and my hair will shine like the sea. It's like your time to bond with your clothes. This is gonna be your new life. Have your friends come over if you need like a second opinion to get rid of stuff. I like to make my own decisions. I'm very self-aware and very realistic, but if you need an extra hand, it'll be so fun to just get together with your girlfriends and have them, you know, you can try things on for them and they can tell you no. Have people that you trust though. If you are my complexion, this is our color, you guys. In the pinky family, this is our color. So I'm gonna keep editing, keep trying things on. These are all the shoes up here. I'm gonna really have to be critical about the shoes because I don't want to have like this happen here. Like, look at how my shelf is falling. I might have to continue this tomorrow. It is about midnight, so yeah, I'm getting kind of tired and I definitely should wash my face. Keep. This one it's like a sad jacket. Okay, I need to start making sense of this. Totally didn't even know I had this. Really nice, and I had no idea that it was in here. So that's what I mean by rediscovering your closet. It's just nice to go through every single piece, and soon you'll have a very curated closet. Cheap, I'm over it. It's like a little vintage guy. I love this. But this hanger is a nightmare. Keeping all these denims. This one I actually kind of tricked out myself. I added all these patches when I went to Stagecoach. And I added the fringe here. Think of it like that as well. Maybe if you're tired of wearing something a certain way, you can just add little things like I did. So I'm actually going to put this one in like the special closet because I never really wear it anymore. But if I ever go to Stagecoach again, I'll definitely bust it out, so I don't want to get rid of it. I actually went through all of my shoes. So a really good tip so that you can fit even more shoes is to put one like this and then one like this, and I was able to fit literally so many more. The ones up there I kind of just left like that. I mean, I could potentially do that same thing and I can probably fit like maybe 2 more shoes up there, but I still have all of this now that I cleared out my closet of the shoes. So these are the shoes that I am going to be donating. So some of these containers have 2 pairs of shoes and I just lined them up so that one I can see. The ones that I have that mesh so I can still see through and see exactly what I have. And then the shoes here that I can see are the ones that I really wear every day. The booties, the sneakers, and some flats and stuff. I know it's hard to tell, but I actually hate clutter, so I like to have things kind of concealed. Those are from IKEA. I'll have them linked below, but I really think they're a great one because they keep your shoes kind of clear of dust, the shoes that you're not really rotating into your everyday wardrobe. So really good tip. And also, just like with the clothes, how we were looking for stains, how we were looking for holes, like those kind of things that maybe aren't mendable. So we also have to do that for shoes. And shoes, I feel like they really take a beating. So I feel like now is the perfect time to clean up anything, polish your shoes, just so that when I wear them with my outfit, it's not going to kill my outfit. I always look presentable. I always look clean. And in turn, it makes me want to reach for that shoe more, because honestly, seeing some of those boots made me not want to reach for them. It made me like, oh, I need new stuff. Just making sure everything's in tip-top shape and fitting you perfectly in your closet, it's just going to be more of an invitation to play with your entire closet. Not like, oh, I would wear that, but you know, it's this and that. Take your stuff to the cleaner, take it to the alterations, take it to shoe repair, or just do it yourself here at home. So for instance, I love my Adidas to be very clean. Converse is a whole nother story. I like them dirty. So listen up, kids. I have these and they are so amazing to clean your shoes. I highly recommend these. I'm gonna show you how clean it can get. These right here, like look how dirty these are. Looks like this, and then I'm just gonna take like, look at the difference already. Just get brand new shoelaces. It's gonna cost you like less than $10 instead of buying a whole new like $60 sneaker. So that is the sneaker now. And then this next little hack I actually learned from Blake Griffin. He basically lives in sneakers, so we should all trust and believe. So this is really cool. He suggested the magic eraser. I was literally at like the dollar store trying to buy containers and stuff. I actually just saw this, which is basically like the magic eraser, but it was just $1. And you can use that to also clean, and it's kind of like the same thing as those soul scrubbers. I think the soul scrubbers are still better, but I mean, this is a great one. I feel like you can just get anywhere, you know? Ta-da! Nice and white. I love that little Blake hack. So not just your sneakers need some love. Go ahead and buff out all of your leather shoes. So I'm gonna take a nice soft cloth, and actually it's the perfect time to be super resourceful. So this is actually just a t-shirt that I cut up that I was gonna donate anyway because it was like had a lot of holes in it. So you can just put a little bit of leather lotion and just do this at home. And then it definitely should be like a soft cloth, and you can just buff that in. It'll have directions for you. Gross, right? I know it's hard to find time, so definitely that you're taking the time to do your closet now. It's like the perfect time to just kind of make sure everything is in tip-top shape. So now all of my black booties are nice and shiny. It's funny because I was like, I need new black booties, but I'm so excited to wear the ones that I have. Okay, shoes are done. Now moving on to the handbags and hats. So I like to put all of my most used hats here as well as bags here. Then I also have this space up here in my closet. I put hats in here. So there's some beanies in here, and then these ones are more like the straw floppy kind of hats. So I have this space that's getting a little bit crazy. So I'm going to reorganize these handbags. A lot of them are clutches and things I'm not going to be using a lot of. So that's why I like this one here that's a little bit more accessible, and it's just on like one of those hook things. But again, like look, this is getting like out of control. So I definitely am going to spend some time trying to figure out what I need to condense down. I feel like shoes and accessories are fine to have a little bit more of because they can really transform your outfit. But just making sure that what you want out and accessible and like what you really want to be using, make sure that it's easy to grab so that way you are grabbing them. If everything is stored away, you're not really going to be grabbing them. Also, just keep in like an inventory. At the time when you are cleaning your closet, you're kind of getting a mental inventory and seeing like, I haven't worn that beanie in like 7 years. So you can go ahead and donate that, or maybe you rediscover something that now you are like super all about. So just put it in plain sight, I think is the best way. And then all of the stuff that's stored, it can be like, you know, your special occasion or your seasonal kind of items. So that is what this side is, and then this is the stuff that I'm always grabbing. So like I said, you should separate your piles. So this bag here is filled with donations. I'm gonna drop that off to Goodwill or maybe H&M or something like that. And then this one here is what I want to sell. And then these ones here, these are all of my repairs and cleaning. Now I'm gonna show you the closet. Ta-da! So much better. Okay guys, so that is everything that I wanted to share with you today in this video. I really hope this was helpful for you. Let me know if you are inspired to start rediscovering your closet and really embracing the clothes and your personal style. Honestly, when you give stuff away, you won't even remember in like 6 months like, oh yeah, I missed that. You won't miss it. I swear to you, you will not miss it. I honestly feel so good about this clean out. There's literally like a huge weight off my shoulders. Everything just looks, you know, Virgo goals. Leave me a comment if you feel inspired to rediscover your closet, or if you have any organization hacks. Definitely feel free to share anything that you would like to add to this in the comments below so we can all help each other out. Thank you so much for going through this closet journey with me, and I really hope to see you in the next video. Bye guys!